Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Learning Page. Let's dive into the video. Navi Mumbai International Airport at Panvel and Ulve, Maharashtra is being developed by the Adani Group-led Navi Mumbai International Airport Limited, NMIL, with a 4-phase master plan to handle over 60 million passengers per annum in the future. Navi Mumbai Airport is expected to be opened and inaugurated in August 2024. Area 1,160 hectares. This greenfield project has been in the works since the 1990s and became necessary in early 2000s when it was estimated that the current airport, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj International Airport, CSMIA, would outpace its capacity of 55 million passengers annually by 2010. Estimated cost 16,700 crore rupees. Deadline 2024. Phase 1 opening start of operations. Nodal agency CIDCO, City and Industrial Development Corporation. Operator Navi Mumbai International Airport Limited, NMIL. Architect Jahan Hadid Architects, ZHA. Civil construction contractor Larsen and Tobro. Detailed design consultant DDC L&T Infrastructure Engineering. Thank you.